A person who loves the sea is called a thalassophile. The Greek thalassa, meaning sea, and phile or philos, a person having a fondness for a specified thing. Do you feel trapped inland? Do you need to swim in the ocean? Can you spend hours staring at the sea? Do you miss the smell of the ocean? A gulf, a large bay, a larger indentation of a coastline, especially between two headlands. A headland, a point of land jutting out into the sea. A beach, the accumulation of sand or shingle on the shore. The coast, where land meets sea. Seas are small, oceans are large. The ocean is the body of salt water that covers approximately 71% of the Earth. It holds 96.5% of all Earth's water and generates over half the oxygen we breathe through marine life, like phytoplankton. As on land, the number of species that live in the ocean is unknown. Apparently, we know more about the properties of outer space than about the deep ocean regions, which is not much. The ocean zones are described by depth up to 200 meters, photic zone. The sunlit layer, the most biodiverse, the region of photosynthesis. 200 to 1,000 meters, mesopelagic zone, twilight zone, very little light, home to a large ecosystem of bioluminescent organisms and migratory species. 1,000 to 6,000 meters, a photic zone, the deep water region. There is no light. Life relies on marine snow, a beautiful term for mostly dead organic matter or dying animals, phytoplankton, single-celled organisms, undigested waste, sand, and inorganic dust. Blue, the colour of where you are not. Rebecca Solnit. Water absorbs longer wavelength colours like red and orange. The shorter blue wavelengths are reflected and scattered back to our eyes. Most of the ocean appears blue, but it can seem blue-green, yellow, brown, even red. The main substances that affect the colour of the ocean are dissolved organic matter, living phytoplankton, with chlorophyll pigments and mineral sediments. Constant circulation of water in the ocean creates ocean currents. Tides create tidal currents, and wind and waves cause surface currents. These currents circulate heat and moisture around the globe, similar to the human circulatory system. The ocean is a crucial climate regulator. It absorbs more than a quarter of human-caused carbon emissions and 90% of the excess heat from global warming. The absorption of excess carbon dioxide by the ocean is changing its chemistry, making it more acidic. Enforcement weaknesses, limited protection, jurisdictional vacuum, flags of convenience, unilateral actions, specific violations, overfishing, increase in temperature, rise in sea levels, melting of ice sheets, increase in ocean stratification, changing ocean currents, changes to weather and wind patterns, plastic pollution, biodiversity loss, impacts of biological processes, turning green. We are in deep water.